Good morning from beautiful Gili Air. Some boat just arrived. I don't know, so many people. What are they doing here? But yeah, so many local people around. 90%. Congrats, mate. Now it's done.
Congratulations, man. Now you're instructor. Now you're instructor.
Yeah. Let's go and eat and celebrate.
Yeah.
I will tell everyone. Great. I'm super happy to announce that Elliott now is officially instructor, and I'm super happy about that. Elliott. Mostly everybody's eating chicken today, except me. I'm eating the same as yesterday. Good place. We ate here again. Are not disappointed. Today, instead of going around the island, we decided to go through the island. And this is dive center, Gili, Philly, fun diving, closed. The Warong green chili. It was recommended as a good place. It's open. Starting this point, you can go only naked because you cannot wear the like a bikinis. Wish all the bikes in Ahmed is electric. Reaching another shore. As you can see, there is a lot of space in the middle of the island. There are all the locals living in the middle of the island. But there's still some fields where there are only coconut palms growing. The soil is not really like a good for farming, so there are only coconut palms growing here. Nothing really else. In some places we saw some plants, but not so many. Still okay, yeah, but Welcome to Loco Moco.
Do you have one seat for me? Only
Yes.
one person.
Only today.
Only today.
Usually you have to book 1 week in advance, so today we are still available, as you can see.
Okay.
You can
I
choose.
think I take this one.
Do you take this one? Okay.
The number 4.
We will bring you a menu
And some towel.
somewhere in We will bring you a menu somewhere in March. Yeah.
Very good.
This one is a solar plant which is providing all the island with electricity. Nice. Hello. Hands-free system. All island fully discovered. We didn't find anything extraordinary. I just proved that actually island is kind of abundant actually at the moment because not so many tourists. We were surprised actually to see tourists in some really strange places. Maybe that's the cheapest one. I don't know what they pay for the night bar, but that felt really native.
Yeah, exactly. And then me
Okay.
Don't do that.
So I'm from beautiful Gili. Hey! Thank you.
The longest.
Thank you very much for watching. That's it for today. Make sure you subscribe and like, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.
Bye.